Hey guys, it's Dimo from DimusTech, and today we're checking pretty special Telesin battery chargers, but not only. I didn't expect to actually make a video on them. I just saw some cool travel chargers that I liked and I ordered them. That's it, I didn't expect anything. Now, that one is for the DSLR camera, for the Canon, for LP6 batteries, and that one is for the GoPro batteries. The boxes aren't anything special. Let's move them away since I already unboxed them. And those are the chargers. Now, as far as I've seen, you have two colors. This is sort of a white, well, it was supposed to be white, but it's not, it's more gray. And they also have some sort of bluish color. I ordered two white, but as you can see, it's not white, and I actually prefer it this way. I think it will be less dirty later. So, let's check them out. Now, first of all, they're both very, very good. It feels really good in the hand. They're not that small, they're bigger than I thought they would be. But that's okay, I guess. Now, you shouldn't actually put them inside your backpack, for example, when you travel. It is actually supposed to be hanged with that thing here. So you can take a carabiner or something and hang it on your backpack externally or something like that. And it's water resistant. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not waterproof. It's just resistant. If it's raining a little bit, it should be fine. And I believe it will. Though I'm not really sure, I didn't really test that out. So, we have here a battery pack, we have here, well, we'll see it in a moment. We have on the other side our charging port, and as you can see it's sealed. You open it up and you have a USB-C on your GoPro batteries, and sadly, or maybe not, a micro extended, I'm not really sure how it's called, but that's a micro USB with some other option. Now, you do get cable with each one of them, USB-A to C on the GoPro, and USB-A to that thing on this one. Now, keep in mind that there is a reason for that, and we'll get into it in a moment. So, let's open them up and see. Now, let's open the GoPro. They're pretty much the same. Now, this one actually can charge up to 3 batteries at once. And that's one of the reasons that I really wanted it, because I have multiple GoPro batteries and I always try to keep them out somewhere, and when I travel I actually had a different charger which just could charge 2 of them. You just put them inside and that's it. Now if they fall, you lost one. And I don't know, it just didn't do the job that good, I think. That one I can put 3 batteries, I can charge them 3 of them, and I can put here and here 3 micro SD cards, which is really good as well. And I also ordered it with 2 batteries actually, so you can order it with batteries. Those are pretty regular Telesin GoPro batteries. They work. There's nothing special about those batteries. They are not bigger capacity or anything, and that was enough for me. Now, as you can see, you can open them with that button, and that's opening. It's not jumping or something, so don't expect it to jump or something, just like that. And then you open it, that's it. And it did charge the original batteries already as well. And when you charge them, you have here a light, I think it's blue one, that it's connected. And for each battery you have here hidden lights, which are red when it's still charging and green when it's charged. So that's kind of cool. Now, on this one, it's pretty much the same. You open it up and you have place for 2 batteries. Well, it's obviously bigger and bigger batteries. You have 1 battery here, 1 battery here, and again 2 SD cards. So 2 go here and 1 you can see here. Let me show you a little bit better. Again, 2 LEDs here, so they are red when it's still charging and green when it's charged. And let's put in a battery. So pretty much you take your battery, just shove it in, that's it. It holds in place, and even if not, you can close the lid. Really nice, so you can travel with 2 batteries and don't worry where you pack them, etc. And then happens something really, well, I didn't expect it. And actually that's why I'm making this video. I didn't expect to make this video. I did see them when they came and it looks awesome. I mean, I really like that. But then happened a really weird thing. So I wanted to charge the batteries for the first time. So I plugged in one of them, I don't remember which one, doesn't really matter, to my computer actually, because those are the USB ports that I have on my desk and they're always available. I don't care that it's a little bit slower, but it does the job. So I connected it and then I heard the noise that you hear when you plug something to your computer. And I thought to myself, why? I mean, it should only charge them, nothing else, or is it? And for a moment I thought maybe since it's a Chinese company, maybe they have something inside there, some chip that might damage something on my computer or something, I don't know, might spy on me or something. But come on, let's get off those conspiracies. I don't think so. Then I thought to myself, what happens if actually that slot here is actually a real card reader? And I inserted a card. And you know what? It did appear on my computer. And that's why actually you have here not a regular micro USB cable, but an additional port. First of all, it will give you more power if your USB supports it. And secondly, it will actually transfer data. I mean, you can use a micro USB, that's all, but it will be faster probably with that specific cable. And same goes here, it's USB-C, so that's good enough. And yeah, that one is a micro SD card reader as well. You have here a micro SD slot. So if we will take an SD card, micro SD card, and put it here inside, that's it. That's an SD card reader as well, on the go. And that's what got me really exciting. Now I can get rid of my card reader as well. I just need 2 of these, and that's it. The speeds are totally okay as far as I checked. I mean, it's not something special probably, but it worked really well. I actually transferred files through this last time, and that's really good. And it's water resistant. While you're going, you can grab here up to 3 micro SD cards, close it up, 3 batteries, and you're good to go with your GoPro. And same goes here, 2 batteries and up to 3 SD cards, and that's it, you're good to go. And that's really awesome. And I mean, you can just, I don't know, throw it away or something, nothing will happen to it. It's really, really good. It feels rugged on the outside, sort of rubbery feeling, and I'm not really sure still how water resistant is it, but it should be okay under somewhat rain, I guess. And I really love the build quality of this and what it can do for you. So I believe the Telesin chargers, or at least those Telesin chargers, they're actually worth the money to get those, instead of grabbing some other types of chargers that don't look that cool and they're not that good for travel. I mean, that thing seems really, really better than any other choice that I've seen so far, and I highly recommend you to check them out. I'll as always give the links where you can get those and all the data about them in the description of this video, so I really recommend them. Check them out for yourself, and I honestly think they're the best.
Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.